Alright, so Stephen and Barry, they have their Jeepster, and they haven't been able to move it or drive it or do anything with it in the last 6 months because their old shift handle is worn out. As you can see, it's pretty forcocked. So they order a new shift handle from the place they get their transmission parts from. And of course, it's solid. Gotta bend it yourself. So they took this over to a friend of ours who also has a shop. And he said, oh yeah, I'll get it done. Month goes by, 2 months goes by, 3 months goes by, nothing. So they just went over and pulled it eventually and brought it here. Text me and I said, I can do it in a day or two, no biggie. It's easy. Of course, I was gonna do it yesterday and I was out of acetylene and I was really low on oxygen and I needed welding gas anyway, so I had to go to the welding store today. Got all my stuff, we're ready to rock. I've already kind of scratched in to see where our first bend needs to be. Focus, damn it. So we're gonna knock that out. It's not too hard, it won't take too long. Get that done before I leave today, and they'll be happy. All right, so we get our bend in. It's hard for a lot of people. I don't understand why this is hard. Nothing fun. Just keeping it, beat it up. Deal. Quick and easy. That baby's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Got it. Well done. Good enough. I win arts and crafts.